CBR500R has long been a favorite among motorcycle enthusiasts, thanks to its well-balanced combination of power, style, and affordability. Designed to cater to both beginners and experienced riders, this middleweight sport bike offers a thrilling riding experience while maintaining a user-friendly nature. In this review, we will delve into the features and performance of the Honda CBR500R, highlighting what makes it stand out in the competitive world of sport bikes. Design and aesthetics. The Honda CBR500R boasts a striking design that blends the aesthetics of a true sport bike with a touch of sophistication. Its sharp lines, aggressive fairings, and dual headlights give it a sporty, edgy appearance. The full fairing design not only enhances its visual appeal but also provides excellent wind protection and aerodynamics, making it an ideal choice for both urban commuting and spirited rides on the open road. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CBR500R lies a 471 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine that produces a robust 50.4 horsepower and 31.7 pound-foot of torque. This engine delivers a perfect blend of power and efficiency, making it an excellent choice for riders of all skill levels. The power delivery is smooth and linear, ensuring confidence-inspiring acceleration while still being manageable for beginners. The bike's 6-speed transmission offers seamless gear shifts, allowing riders to effortlessly navigate various terrains and road conditions. With a top speed of around 112 miles per hour, the CBR500R offers an exciting ride that is equally comfortable for city commuting and longer highway cruises. Handling and comfort. One of the standout features of the CBR500R is its exceptional handling and stability. The lightweight chassis and well-balanced weight distribution make this bike incredibly agile and easy to control. The 41mm front fork and ProLink rear suspension provide a comfortable and composed ride, even on bumpy roads. The ergonomics of the CBR500R strike a perfect balance between sportiness and rider comfort. The handlebars are positioned in a way that encourages a sporty riding posture without causing discomfort during extended rides. The rider's seat is plush and comfortable, and the pillion seat offers decent space for a passenger, adding to the bike's versatility. Technology and features. The Honda CBR500R comes equipped with a range of modern features that enhance the riding experience. It includes an LCD instrument panel that provides essential information such as speed, RPM, fuel level, and gear position. The bike also features ABS as standard, ensuring reliable braking performance in various conditions. The Honda CBR500R is a well-rounded sport bike that caters to a broad spectrum of riders. Whether you are a novice looking to step into the world of sport bikes or an experienced rider seeking an affordable, versatile, and enjoyable two-wheeled companion, the CBR500R has much to offer. Its sleek design, balanced performance, and comfortable ergonomics make it an excellent choice for both city commuting and exhilarating weekend rides.